Lesson 1. Installing Emacs. The main objective of this video is learning how to install the Emacs editor, which contains the org mode feature. This video will show how to do the install on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. To begin, open a web browser and enter the URL shown on the screen. This will open the home page for the Emacs editor software. From this page, you can follow the documentation link at the top of the page to read more about the Emacs editor. However, this video series will provide all the information needed to successfully use org mode within the Emacs editor. The home page has a set of buttons for downloading the Emacs software for different operating systems. Click on the Windows button. Another page will load with links to the server that hosts the installation packages for the Emacs editor. Click on the link text Main GNU FTP Server. A list of folders will then be shown. Find the folder called Emacs 26 and click on it. A list of files will then be shown. Scroll down to the bottom of the file list to find the latest version of the Emacs software. At this time, the version is 26.3. Right-click on the file Emacs 26.3x8664.zip. Then select the Save Link As or Save Target As option. A file dialog window will open. Save the file in your Downloads folder, then click OK. The file size is 215 megabytes, so it may take a while for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, click the Open Folder button or go to your download folder and select the file. Right-click on the file and select the Extract All option. A window will open to allow you to select the folder to unzip the file. When the folder info is entered, click on the Extract button. The contents of the zip file will be extracted to the new folder, and a window will open when the extraction is complete. To create a folder for the Emacs files on your C drive, click on the C drive, then right-click in the Folders area, then select New Folder. A new folder will appear. Type the name Emacs and hit Enter. Next, click on the Downloads area, then click on the file where your Emacs software is, go to the Home menu, and select the Select All button. All of the files will be highlighted. Next, go back to the Home menu and select Copy. Click on the C drive, then double-click on the Emacs folder. Go to the Home menu, then click on the Paste button. The files will then be pasted into the Emacs folder on the C drive. Next, double-click on the Bin folder. Then go down and right-click on the folder file called Emacs. Select the Create Shortcut button. A shortcut will be created. Right-click on the shortcut, then select the Copy menu item. Next, minimize the File Explorer window. Right-click on the desktop, then select the Paste Shortcut menu item. The Emacs shortcut will be pasted on the desktop. Double-click on the Emacs shortcut to start Emacs. You may see a window like this pop up. If you do, click More Info and then Run Anyway. The Emacs editor will then start up. You have installed the Emacs editor, which has the org mode feature. The next video in this series will show you how to create an org mode file and save it. To see all the videos in this series, go to orgmodeforbeginners.com.